How to transfer crypto from Kraken to another wallet. In order to do it, you first need to come to kraken.com. On the home page, you need to simply click on the withdraw option and then you will be landed on transfer and withdraw page. Over here, you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to basically withdraw. Afterwards, in the network, you need to select the network which you want to use in order to transfer this particular coin that you have selected. Once done, it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get the address, you just have to simply provide the deposit address in this section. It would be in that particular exchange in which you want to transfer your crypto from Kraken. After providing the deposit address over here, you just have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to review the information that is mentioned on this page. If everything looks correct, click on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If you have enabled security on your account, then you just have to simply authorize your action with funding 2FA. Once done, your transaction will be in process, and once it is completed successfully, you will be able to transfer your crypto from Kraken to another wallet. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.